I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper photo. First, select a high-resolution digital image for optimal clarity and detail. Next, choose the right photo paper. Glossy paper offers vibrant colors, while matte provides a softer finish. Always check your printer's ink levels and perform a nozzle check for consistent output. Finally, decide on your desired print size, ensuring it matches your paper and printer settings for a perfect result. Now let's print your photo. Open your chosen image in your preferred photo editing software. Navigate to the print menu and carefully adjust the settings. It's crucial to select the highest print quality option, often labeled best or photo quality, to capture all the details. Double-check that the paper size and orientation in the software align with the paper loaded in your printer. This ensures your image prints correctly without cropping or distortion. Once your photo is printed, proper drying and handling are essential. Immediately after printing, place the photo on a clean, flat surface, like a drying rack, to allow the ink to set. Resist the urge to touch the printed surface, as this can easily cause smudges or leave fingerprints. Drying times vary based on ink and paper type, but generally, allow at least 15 minutes before handling. Patience here ensures a pristine final product. Finally, let's talk about protecting your beautiful paper photos for years to come. Store them in acid-free albums or archival boxes to prevent yellowing and degradation. For extra protection, place individual prints in photo-safe sleeves. Always keep your photos away from direct sunlight and fluctuating temperatures, as these can cause fading and damage. For truly cherished memories, consider professional lamination for enhanced durability and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.